Okay. So let me wash my hand. This is Padelian, and this okra stew. You can't feel I know. You can't feel it. That you get a man where baby. I put that baby in once. That was there. You call it through. You handle. Obama. A baby with battery. Wọ́n mú yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wọ̀ ma wọ́n asúnmọ́ hẹ́n wò bàtú dẹ́ wọ́n á gbé bá tẹ́ gbàgbé bó bá mẹ́ ọ̀hánà yàrá yẹbi yàtọ̀ bọ̀kọ̀. Orang berdiri. Tapi aku. Aku. Ada bunga di lain. Iwájú ada musi. Ada bunga sebab bang. Itu ya. Itu kan bohong. Jenuh apa? Ban. Maria. Now, so how you trying to get? I don't feel good that. No more, you're gonna. You make this not too much. This is not too much. No, fit. Toby John. I did hear just you are looking for me. What was also where we no not go away. This one person. Oh. I'm going to walk now. This one, when you got to walk now, you got to walk now. Non, non, c'est bon, les chats, matin. Non, il y a 4 bois. Au 4 baies. Oh, oui.
Mais il y a des process.
Quatro. Não vou lhe portar isso. Le live do isso, é o teatro.
Pois é, né? Mama did mistake in
Which one?
It's the process. Anyway, later.
I'm going to put it. I'm going to I love my life. I don't really care what people say. I'm a brown. Self-love is the ultimate. Look at Daddy. Daddy.
V.
I-D. I-A. G-H-E. Diary. Diary.
Diary. Awesome.
Don't look. Good boy.
Oh, processing. My. The transfer is taking long. Okay, when I get on the traffic, okay.
Wait, what me? I got to eat. Look a little bit. I will have fun, my guy. You get mad, block me, Abby. Don't let me see you for a section for Roma. Because I already fight you. Don't fight me, I beg. Where are you going from it? Oh, it's small. I didn't look at it as small now. Not the banana. The banana. Not the banana. Eating banana. I know. I'm going to go zoo. Nothing to do with this video. Yeah, this network is misbehaving. People don't enjoy the network. They don't enjoy the video. If I don't even be, also enough in army. I'll be mad. Network just stable now. Can go like this. You see? Network do it, can go like this. Can follow up the network like this.
All that this thing says since you get married.
What happened? Do that.
Since you married, you go old past your age.
Make I be the young before. No, not the not got to. I did 5 years last year. This year now I can't do 6 years. The best is the old I be the young also. Now go do some ordinary mathematics one to the calculate. Now every time I want to teach you, say if person don't marry, if they old though. When I never marry, I did single, I did flex. Then I come marry. You know what I'm old?
Especially when you marry today.
You understand? One person go marry, I can't go marry today. Why not go old? Tani menu yogi so idani you. Mama gunwa yo bamwe we omoriru. Try this video, guys. Tani menu yogi so idani you. Now, mass, get me my pants, they do me. Master, when you know my deals, I need to take something. Oh, God. You don't know your husband, that is my balance. Edani menu yogi so edani you. One magun yo bamwe omoriru. Na menu yogi so edani you. Amagun yo bamwe emoriru. Ama susengwe no maroko ovije. Ama wipope me omeroko iselu. Ama susengwe no maroko ovije. Ama supope we no me ike apiko. Tamu ya we o. Etin yero. Yàgbéwá yàrá ìfowópamọ́ níbi ẹ̀ ètí ìyẹra o. Make me open a glass. Alright guys, share this video guys. Let's go there. The today program is a message to Monica and Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. Whatever. Le ma yari mo na biaru. Agame. I believe people are watching me now. Don't know. I can't see people that are watching me. I can only see comments. And if you know you are watching me, you never press love or like. Press one, see the hot. If they watch me, never press love or like. Press on. When I did it up yesterday, see love and like. I'll let you talk to me now with Facebook. If you know you are watching, okay, 254. Okay, we are good to go. Now, first of all, I agree to know better style. Allow. This evening, I will use Pidgin English. I'm going to use the Libyan. What if I'm share? They want you money bill. All right, we are good to go. Listen, let your deal clear this now. I'm talking about my big. The talk is not big anymore, abi? Okay, keep sharing. Let us get 300 before we start. Keep sharing. I can see you guys. You guys are blessed. You guys are blessed. Who are all? So how many people do we have now? We have for 300. Let's go there.
If you skip this video, you will receive bad luck for next 1 month. And if you share this video, you will receive good news in the next 1 hour. Type yes and follow to claim it.
Okay. Now, good evening, my people. I grew now better style. I see you on the Peking from Victor. No. Go back with a smile. Or you say what talk. Who act there. For many of all those presenters who stood up to speak the truth, you guys are not supporting me, but you are speaking the truth with your platform. May God bless you all. Me particularly, I appreciate you guys. You know me say if you misbehave, and one comes to Saga, you're not going to face Saga, you that's me for you. Now know me. For this social media, not get permanent friend, not get permanent enemy. When I say you do the right thing, I go praise you. When you are doing the wrong thing, I go insult you. Now you'll be my pattern. For those of you who follow me, you not like my way like that. I don't get why they support. I stand as one squad of this social media. You all know. And that's the reason why I say I never feel for this media. Because I know they pay my homage to any woman or man. I support the good people. And I kick against the bad thing. Now, to me, and to many of my lovers, many of my fans, all over the world, who they watch me, this issue of Sharon OKPAMEN, many of you now, where they watch all of us, both the presenter, the bloggers, who now know who really stand for truth. Forget the fact say many they use and they make money. You understand? Those monetize speech, they see they use on the cash outs. Nobody, both they don't use on cash outs. When Facebook don't know what they pay, he will use on the grow in Facebook. When Facebook don't pay, they use on the cash out. Let's leave the money aspect of it now. Let's about reality. Because our people make money, but now not be your own who vomit. Next week people know the kind of food way he or she eats. Now, we all can see, Monica, if you now talk for this social media, say, who saga Monica pass? Who saga Monica pass for this media? Now me. Many of you now go know. See my phone number. My phone number is +491. I hope you get back with the right time. +491. That's German code. +491. That's the German code. Then go. Let's go for the number. 521 41 41. And then repeat it 2 times. So 521 41 50 798 798. So you can last and finish. +491 521 41 50 798. That's the number. Yes, as I was talking, I go just now. Una will know see for this media. If we talk of especially those who Monica pass na me. You understand? And if you talk of person we don't beg me say I beg leave Monica. I beg we don't beg indoor na ivie toilet na him go beg me pass. Sometimes I come with a business, sometimes if she they come, I know like to pick because why? Maybe now Monica Mata I want still break on. You understand? That's to tell you how she don't take beg reach. How she take stand, they fight for Monica. How anybody we talk about Monica, if you will come out for them. If you saga Rita Kokobiri FB, not because they return if you get banamish, not because of Monica. If you saga Lolo, not because if you and Lolo and if you get problem, not because of Monica. If you call her for Enoki, because of Monica. If anybody will talk to Monica, if you will call her for her. True or false? Man, no, see the thing I talking about truth. When I share this video. Now, this Sharon matter will come soon. The stand with Monica stand for this media. Me, about this man, I stand with Monica. Because now the way of truth, the road of truth, and Monica stands with. For that simple reason, me, I stand with Monica. When I see person they do something good, I go praise them. Even though that same person, I sang around yesterday, today you will see me, they use my kind, I use my beard, they pray for her. For the good thing we just do today, so I go to use my beard, they pray for that person. For those of you now who know me, I know that my character. I go just forget the bad thing we they do before. But for me to just do good thing, I go to pray for her, I go join her. That is me. And that's the reason why I stand with Monica for this media. For this Sharon issue way of the grand soon. Then the thing can't shock me now. I can't see and say from the beginning of this Sharon matter, some of Monica fans not join Monica. They were expecting Monica to beat Mama Sharon. But unfortunately, the table turned upside down. And that's media for you. Social media has gone to the extent of don't feel say now you know presenter. This presenter my party, me and not party. Maybe they do evil. It go change down for you. Go look very dark man. You understand? See what is the very dark man now recently now because of this Bobrisky matter we leak out. You don't also because of that lawyer say Naijawatch. After us not being mentioned in name for his side. He talk on the way be, not look back, not look front. Even though they say they want someone go court. You understand? So it's so unfortunate to say I can't see Ivie and some Monica lovers. Real one, what be the real one where they side, the fake one where they side. Say they love to see Monica, they do bad thing. This one called they make me the know, see. These same followers, lovers, they love to see you as a person that do bad thing. That's why it's good for you as a man or a woman. They use your brain, they follow your spirit. They do your broadcast as your spirit leads. The fight when Monica they fight now the fight of every mother. To the extent, women where they inside, viewers where they don't even provoke the taunt of presenter. They don't come and do video, they saga Izzy. The thing that even they vex people, the attitude of Izzy Omoruyi emoji. It don't even they parrot people. The way Izzy they stand for this Sharon matter. It don't they annoy people, don't they people they parrot. Now then you can see Ivie don't know not feel more. Ivie 2004. He stand, what you call pay me pass for inside. Ivie no le saga ma Sharon. Ivie the saga Sharon, the saga Sharon baby, Mimi. Ivie the saga ma Sharon, il the saga Sharon, il the saga Mimi. It is saga for family. I don't really understand because of what? Because of what? Because of Izzy Omoruyi. When I go over the watch for this media, when something is positive, if you always come stand in the side of negative. When Kevin Olagwe, the Olakoko talk show, use the word to go do Omiogon. Everybody click against that act. Every Benin woman out there kick against her. Because now what if you do with Okeke when their husband house? If you stand for Kevin, Olakoko, they protect Olakoko, they support Olakoko. What if Olakoko do away? When it's that they use it, they do a shower. Many things like that. Numerous things, some countless things like that. When India always they stand for. India always stand of negative. You will find one way they bring out one kind of false news. They shout to the extent everybody they do saga for this Sharon attacks them. Nobody don't bring Sharon baby come out, picture come out, they do saga. Because the saga now. If you go Sandra Agbogu go carry the picture with Sandra Agbogu for carry that baby. Call Sandra come out. The saga that baby. Newborn baby. Izzy Omoruyi came out and thank you for standing by her. You know one thing I want to why I say message to Monica. Monica, my sister, listen. You see me for this video. Present against them, against present as friend. Apart from my daughter, we have to carry full like this call. We will talk freely. You understand? I get that present as friend. We be see. I don't feel carry phone call them. The friend now, if they need my help, they call me. If I know I will do free, I don't want free. No, I will tear the bill, I will tear the bill, I'll do for them. Inshallah. Everybody go your way, I go my way. We'll not be friends. You understand? If you do something bad, if I say I help you, now if you say this is going to want you. That's me for you. You see, if you, otherwise, just say, no, man, I cannot choose a friend for you. And you go choose your friend by yourself. Monica, what also say? If you get what you and if they discuss, I trust Monica Sharon, but that one, me I trust Monica. You have to be very careful. You see, when a no call a cutter from you, and where I found the saga you, I know something he pay you. He pay you well because you never expected it. Especially that time, what we say they do, who find pass the most beautiful woman, most successful woman for Ajabo platform. When Osaomen say come vote B and B, it will pay you. You understand? I'm going to remember you many things. You see the way you take verse, you take paro for that thing. What they call the saga you. He showed the world so that thing pay you. If he still come out for you tomorrow, he go pay you. But you need to be careful. The play between you and Olivier, you need to be very careful. It is very, very important. Number one. Many of your followers, the only person who have your measure in it boldly, Naivie. Now you go use your tongue, take count your teeth for the rest of your followers' body. Some amateur presenters, I call them amateur presenters. Amateur, some of those they do black like that. You understand? Some of those pepper gang presenters. You have to be very careful about them. Sometimes things they happen for you to know be your friend and not be your enemy. We're going to ask God why. If this Sharon matter not bollocks, you're not going to know where some people stand put for your life. You understand? What if fear me pass? Now when you carry Sharon baby come out, being to the saga of Sharon with alongside with Sharon baby. As presenter blogger don't do video reach for the social media. Nobody don't post Sharon baby for social media. If you frustration. I'ma make you if you not see Bola for because you go there side the room up there. Comment after the divan with the sharp the screen. You go to make noise. You go to be constant nuisance. Monica or Alwe now advice now I get for you. because if you yourself know say if you're a better person. Now let me one when I take with you go on now you and the only way to talk with you now through this Facebook and not because if you want me. When I ask you when last did you use IC children reach now? Even like having video you more. The energy where you the saga Sharon baby and Sharon mama. If you don't use until go find picking. If you don't use until put picking for us. Sharon don't buy, but the children of Sharon they with the grandmother. Where you the saga, but you, your own children, you they alive, you never buy. Your children they with your papa. See your life. Sharon don't buy. Our own children, they with the grandmother. You will be here with the saga mama Sharon. You get 3 boys for Austria. The 3 boys, government collect them for your hand because your atrocity. Give their father. God, as we talk now, you can never have a charge of your own as far as Europe is concerned. You are not capable to take responsibility as a mother of a child as far as UN is concerned. You cannot. You feel born. If you're born agba, government will collect the picking back. They'll call your father. Will I take you? This woman, they already record. Now let Morocco. You cannot take care of your baby. You understand? Una, we believe Monica followers. We good for inside. The one way good for inside. The one way good for inside. I want advice you. Hello? I greet you. You will do. I greet you, Papa. Domo. I speak out. Moi, je vais contribuer by anyway, little Natimana. What's up? Domo. I speak out. Yeah. Okay, Domo. Domo ni Baba Domo yari Natimana. Because anyway, no, we say no yaore. Yeah. Monica, because 4 years back, 3 years back, Monica, I want every years. If you know with social media, my Libya do a man like yes. For like 2 years back now, 2 years back, 3 years back now, who vient Monica Baba, no. The woman is very right now because I might a time concern Monica. Everything has been Monica Bana is past record. Present record. I have Monica now. If I like our version, what is Monica Baba? Osaroba Debawa. A Master Sharon now. No, I Monica Mutia Yikata. No, I have my Sharon, Master Sharon now. Anybody, no, yeto, no, Suwaduke by. If you know that, oh, here we are. Because I will my Gaya. Imon Nusuni, because on a year, the members. My name will be done any Bima Yirima or Dane. You over here with Miane Yivakmo, Miane Yi. Even lots of them. Oh, my no matter to all over here for that pain. I don't understand. You know, we are really shooting, Papa. We are really shooting. Or men no G, Manifesto. Or men no G. And I would die in a backbone. And so ye, and I would die here. Where time of your own repair to you, I am with that you. I don't know for some kind people. I will swear, in here are we in a teeny. Here are we are saying in a teeny. I say, because you wish to take a dance. Oh, Baba. Anybody no issue, I don't give me by Matana. If you know that, you're walking away. Oh, yeah, Monica,
now you continue like so. Because we are every man from Britain of one is a wisdom man. Advice no man no so no we understand. We are very or insert a jebon in live video now. Yes, because or beg we even the part jebo or my day on that on one. By now, Papa jebo and he did all the time. See, he did right way. Monica, or like the only time you go wrong. No, we like that. You see the right way. You understand? Flower continue in here. No way, no, I'm begging here. Exactly. Now, if you go with it, I'll be all that. So, where's the Papa Domo?
Wato.
Domo no one.
Wato.
Domo.
Yes, I will fancy Monica ni money raw. The leg banner. Because in every nonsense there is sense. When I'm a see them, done. The here tell one where my bet the one here go one bua. What the hiwa go one bua. In the Monica here, the TV yiki. You guys should be careful. One in the Monica here, you get a love Monica. Not a Monica, we go Monica go on. Everybody go and say he love us. The Monica even the view I've been on Monica. One of you that like one of you that likeness in the view. Why that how I know where to go. Because you guys see the video, see the I'm with that Monica. One of the other that likeness in there. If you yeah, that's why limited you win with your TV, do an TV. Why limited? And don't we tell female do the guac beuma? And then hearing that comment on the quark you make I use English. All those Monica lovers with the use they call Evie. Make una the limit na call if una genuinely love una Monica. Because the kind fight we go have for this video. Na see we o na small. You understand? Akobe rien ni vie munya hu a hope like gala. Undakobe or will be CS my vie patrie. You understand? And I want to be Kobe. But now, Izzy Omoruyi or Rovi Monica is there. If you now support Izzy. Wow, what are you wearing? Do Agbona Digbe Izzy Omoruyi or Rovi Dadiku Rovi Nene Iye Dadiku. If you now Obonizi. On m'a give you la bien boldly de Rovi Monica. If you now switch on a Rovi Sharon. The Monica will defend. Agmodini. Oh, Diago. Why you say brain? Very tired. I'm gonna analyze that with my brain. I'm gonna share this video. Maybe not because I know where they go. That's why they talk to Monica lovers. Because now different style of saga. Now they bring comment for social media. Different style of saga. Now they bring comments for this social media. Hello. I greet you, bro.
Yeah, so you see this Ije matter of grandson. If you sit down, look and well, if they look for a no friendship bitterly. You understand? You hear me?
Yeah.
And the only way if you will go back to Inogi, not to Sarah Monica. If you do that one, Inogi go accept her. That's just it. You know that thing. Carry on, bro.
What? So, whether if you look for Inogi, friendship that's not a problem. Just stand. Only my concern, only I go the friendship people. They go with Barney back home. Buy up with him and you're back home. So what I say here, this word we have to talk so. When it go still come to pass, I go sit there here, do my drink, and why yo? You know what I'm doing here. Please, Ale fancy Monica. Where he can go go. You can disgrace me as a presenter. Inshallah, not get problem because you know why? I carry my face come out. So definitely people know me. You know, will be my lovers, will be my fans. Where they my backbone. Where my strength. If they because of me they disgrace me, it will be war against discipline. I will continue to be fight. I'm not going to be happy. You understand? So that's the reason why they first stand this sense now. They give the lovers of Monica. The one where you know, see, they call Ivie inside. Because Ivie, Omade okay. She's mentally deranged. Elle remarque elle n'ont pas de bon, elle vient. Ivie mourir de tired. Because au moins buto, I'll get a coco, and you may be tired, express, if you're not salary buto. No, but it's okay. You lose up pan everywhere. You understand? Il vient now, or Vie Sharon, et Monica defend Vie Sharon. Izzy Omoruyi, on a Rovi Monica, Rovi Monica, Rovi, iyo dafi Monica, on a Rovi. Izzy where na get origin. Izzy where na origin get star. No, yes, Caesar. No, mwe reju ebila, no akinye mwe reju ebila. Izzy Omoruyi, babo yan like wegbe. Yaka. Iba bo tarabo we. Is you where you so much love your mother. Izzy, you are so stupid. That is very stupid here. But who ye police station? I want to know sha. When I know we like the way video one. Then a video where I may film. I make video with the police. But here you come and police. The next school go where you are for real. Where you come? Oh, you know the one side. Izzy Omoruyi. Una ladian. Una rovi nene. Una menya wi bebe you. Una ladian. Una rovi Monica. Monica may someone rovi where will cast one rovi Monica. Now let you know that. A post you were then we someone rovi. O sa me sega wo hinogi. We may someone part 1 part 2. We someone tear bonnet with your post. You forgot so soon. Who were Ben wo my last way compose a story no give a video. A post where Kayaro Vima, Una Amanya worry. Then you now came out categorically. They will not keep part 1 to part 8. They go comment when it's invalid. Then I don't visual like a story you have void. Of your big man. Never drive. Never driver's license. Then you look high. Or will show me your friend and will tell you who you are. Imagine you have seen the Bonosi. I was about planning now. This thing that you are doing now, the people that you planning together with. I have all their pictures. Destiny, child, all their pictures. I have the name Peter. A picture you are going. I have that picture. Can already you can work here. If a picture here, no babs you know, even no sooner. Izzy Omoruyi. Omago we can now never make one. But no, we are moving a bolo a boa. No castle one. Dan mortuary standard losing. A mortuary story, what to do? Now, my people, I've got the Monica, Yen, tell me, I will tell you where you no, we concern Ivie, et au pino yom no filome aqua. On est calé, moi, quoi, bien qu'il y a la voix, Eziza. Il faut dire, il est calabri. Non, est calé, moi, quoi, bien qu'il y a la voix. Non, calé, mais à comment bien qu'il y a la voix. On a calé, mais à bien qu'il y a la voix. Ah, qui a dit, non, eh, il me voix. Eh, il me voix. Et là, qui nous revient, au bien au moins, the man that is dating you is a responsible guy. It's so unfortunate where you are a useless woman. You understand? We be mind where you are a useless woman. If he knew that you are a useless woman, he go borrow leg run for you. You understand? We be they friend you. He called me which day here? That's about 5 days ago. He called me. We talk. Beg me, say, move, forget, maybe you start. I said, no. Ask your guy. I know say you go there with town or 12 now go there lie. The guy will call him, with the learning result. I've given you the second chance, and that's all. You have misused it, we can never play. That is it. Straight down. Man, what to compose, you are evil. However, had dignity, at this kind of time of your life, you don't have a roof that you can call your own in Nigeria. After many years in abroad, you don't have a roof that you can use your hand to hit your chest where this is a house I built for my father, of my mother, of my siblings, or for myself in Nigeria. You'll be working for decades of years in abroad. A government of Yemowadu. If you, where you are going live video. It's so unfortunate where social media is a place whereby chicken and chips can talk. Chicken and chips can talk here on social media. Because we have representatives, we have chicken and chips. You understand? We do have been an era ye so far away do not buy era ye do not pack yet here. We raise one chance, we raise one chance. Era ye your mother is your father is still suffering. O my me who zino ye. Ah, te wala yin ye Sharon. No go lo wali raji in Nigeria. Ra. Now when I have men to the Sharon you do. As a laborer. Yeah, you are going to Sharon. No lie. Era ni era sofa. Da was up with na mo Sharon you wa. Ni rive agbon. Iye Sharon la wo go. Pa mo se video na gi Sharon. Ya yin nla ho. E job no kwa we no. Igo na to ya ri na iye ansa ni ya gbon na mo Sharon yi. Ma sana ala ho na mu ne na ri na chere vie ivie he opi no je mo gbe mu yan vie era wa egbeso gbogbo do gbeso na o load le do mo pack wa ma load ona ti ogbese one chance marastan eri make do gu ni o ma we job lo ma we le bula ida me na la ni la mo ne pa e mo ne fi na kina Misha would you man out. Maniac man gave a new bidding. Oh God. If when I go make the girl sedania. If you live in already domo pack. Per head. Although per head you don't pack you. Oh, so on it. Okay, many why I need you go maybe of your one not bay. Many mail you of your one and all the only year now. Since how many years? You understand? Eddie make do woo, may not do road to me where Nena Yana be. Imane be vera make the woo. I was undocumented immigrants. Era na yeti yari okwe. Oh yeah, TV crossover. You very we bu. Oh the crossover now. The get 3. Oh yeah, TV now. Oh action. Oh tie barrier. Oh we no de. Oh to boy for to take cash. To te man. Oh to te alimorewa. Oh kwani ke no de. You understand? But you eat all you joggers. Or balance. But so with a complete blue, papa blue. Understand? Or balance. Nakana. Eri vietie. Ureze. Ugbogebo one chance. This is a woman. No bamani yes ne webo. Me ye fie back le. Ekenwa rodi. Vi vie re webo. If ye le ne obe madam no mwere. Me ye fie back le. Me ye fie back one chance. One chance. Then me gwe era ye ekinere ye ga do vi me redo ekinere ga do me redo me fie back ma vi pa ne gbe wo de ma agbera gbe wo de era ye do ti now at this kind of time. You understand? Do say you want to say no matter save you go as a working class woman for good 5 months. No ya di motor ogera go boy ne no way you pass personal car. Umati denira wa minyere uwa we uwa winyere uwa go and no den we winyesi inyesi awi ma lawa pe wala e woni ho atawo yeso mu bi gbeji geri asun atebe Sharon golden wristwatch and I post egure brand new one with better matter and I post egure na me gifts, special gifts. Ni asun atebe Sharon anari ebe yomo 5 years married 5 bye anari ebe yomo ni asun atebe Sharon a Facebook been now block since February till today. Anaki Facebook me ni asun atebe Sharon worry no man because any cow ko wono do ku wono ko kude ke oyini ya no yigu na yanya ge mata no nweme la be no keke de ri ya kele udena aki ate monica tele Sharon ona me baby vovo latin ona me baby vovo ona me latin o tele Sharon o we can have na la harake zowe where animal pass enter bush na dead the trusty leg ya ya hawe a topic in Ije, a life enough you here. Blessing begin to enter my house. I go to use on the proud. Say yes. Now this topic I did when God bless me. A bear like devil, I'm not going to regret him. Who that way, I'm equal to the task. As a man, any said doy. Now some topic I did. Document enter my house. Things change. Why not go talk truth? Esene ya kana no rigbe we rata. Ese do run me tell me you why rag my body here. All you here na mo why here na I'm enjoying it. Imagine if Facebook me block since February. Yes, February. Who were now give you? Make I pick this call. Hello? What up, my real life video? Hello, speaker. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Wesley, thank you very much. Thank you very much. No. No. Thank you very much. Yeah. What is telling me now? Why not talk to you? So, again, if you do that, I'm trying to illustrate the benefit of being sincere, of standing for truth to you now. If you pass away, you know the reason why? You are a social media live video presenter, you are the only one giving out gifts to people. I will tell you categorically, despite we may you may have net gift to obey one, you never obey one. I know how people take it bless me. Imagine a document in the arena. They don't mind you make document in the arena. At least I will say I can boldly say the money is 200 or something. Yes. The other, no one congratulations on that country woman. May 50k. No one congratulations on that country woman. May 100k. No one congratulations. That is how people are blessing me. When we not share because you are there with them at times, Mujaji, you book calling a billion car. Oh my go wrong. What size social media will any matter than Adina? On no condition should anybody waiting him to Saga Sharon. On one of you. What's what is it? Why don't you must sympathy with life now? At all. Why don't you must sympathy? The people want him when he say what's the we are now? We are now. Then for you guys to console the woman, you not sit down. We're not who, not young women, no they can be a for that matter. We're not going to carry a labor room who know how painful it is for a woman to push out a baby to my vagina. You will not sit down comfortably. Who do I saga not lost over the social media, and you are happy for it? Who smile why you know what can you do? Can you imagine the kind of human being man? And people are still sitting down watching clap for you. So you are saying the right thing. You are saying the right thing. Like seriously? Like seriously? Yes, Sharon, already will be fine. But not this time around. Not this particular point of a time. No warrior saga holy. Omoga woman balance of Moses. If you don't know, I ask if you were pa. I don't know if you were bonaban. All that it go pay you also your. And I to survive after some months or years. You forget about the pain. Omoga 10 years to come, 20 years to come, you still feel the pain. Each time you think about that, your beautiful daughter, not just Omo Ilu, Omo a celebrity, Omo Naba or the woman is showing the wuje. You don't expect the mother, when I totally arrive the code, you summon your country, your kind of woman, who now the picture, no one value. What do we have defending world bestie? We are defending world bestie. So Izzy Omoruyi. So you now believe at this time of time, at this time of day now, a Sharon will just be a ghost now. Let's assume where according to the movie we are a drama we are in the Benin Wood Nuwaji. Let's assume where a Izzy Omoruyi, the Sharon will not stand, putting on white and white with cutting wood for the nose. He go stand like this now. He go they look you for seats like this. They insult the mother. Oh, they were Mutia, oh, they were Mutia, you sit down, you they insult in the mother library. You they talk, now so you carry and they go holiday, now so you go and corner, now so you do this one, now so you buy and this one, now so you montage for her, now so you give her star, now so you do this one. She's so appreciative. Nothing will Sharon not do for you. So all this friendship of you and Sharon, all this while, you are always be the one spending for Sharon. Sharon has never spent for you. Why you Why some people be like this? Izzy Omoruyi. So all this from the beginning of your part 1 to part 8 till death till today, it is you giving to Sharon, 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 you giving to Sharon. Sharon has never given you anything. You have not said one thing. Now Sharon Palestine, apart from go, no way Sharon did you. And you also said that video categorically, if you ever the go. You didn't listen to yourself. You didn't listen to yourself. Oh no, one year or say, what kind of a friend are you? Now let me tell you one thing. If you don't know, then you know now. If you don't know, make you know. I have a friend in this Italy who was really, really sick. She was sick, like seriously. Not be small thing. I came and I told her, I said, I dey do shoro, and they go to do bojono. Now hospital are going to stay. For that room, so hospital now going to stay. This is special CV. If you talk of friends, if you talk of friends, it will get friend. If you talk of friend, it will get friends. The guy want travel. He fall down beach for shop. The Russian hospital. With the money we carry travel, everything and carry hospital. Doctor, the tied the money for the island. Put up the luggage, right? Everything was not the luggage. I look for a good. I couldn't locate the hospital with them. I go greet her. I see the condition. I say no. This person they go figure the way I live. Like so, they naked and fix everything for the body. Everything they fix everything for the body. I really look like they don't caution. You never know say I come. That the part. After 2 days, you can't wake up. When you wake up, as you wake up, you can't see me. Say Frank, I say yes. Yes, it's fine. And they go, they come. They're okay. Say they're okay now. They're okay. They talk so. Both phone and everything lost. The family from Nigeria they call. Nobody feel reach out. Nobody. Full romance. Nobody know where they. Nobody feel reach out. Wow. The hospital not get network. What to do? I carry my network reach there. And they get network small. Now I use my own strategy use as a friend. That's what I go do now. But bros, I can't ask the guy a question. Now we don't wake up, we don't feel the talk small. Hear your phone. You say, what if you remember? What if you remember? Now they have some question. What if you remember? Tell me the person will come. As they come ambulance not quick come. Person will use more to remove one. Come on. Tell me the person name. Tell me the city where they stay. Fine. Okay, good. Okay, no shaking. No. Inside that unconscious way, they see the beg to be to release them. When I see the correction, this cannot know where they talk. None of where they go. They don't release them. I come look for how to locate the person where the phone deal with. I come meet the person. Go tell the person, okay, I send me con. Person go, which hospital they don't transfer. I see the hospital with the person. Okay, if follow the person follow me come. Consider him. Also follow the person go back house. Collect the phone. Everything. Then when the man come out, the guy blink eye for me. Now I blink from you. Because he get time when they visit him. That I nourish. They will pursue everybody. As I want to come on, the guy blink eye for me. I told the side they come. I forget my phone. I tell the guy they come out for the other hospital. So the guy say, I beg, I forget my phone. I go back. Then the guy tell me, say, I beg, this wardrobe, carry with the land with this other. So down. Send that money, say, I beg, carry me, keep on. Now, so no problem. Carry the money, go ass. The way the money is plenty, me myself, I don't even get comfortable. Now, my own mind is not make a riches. So I finish that back, go hide down. As it takes me so, I can't sit down, can't. So they cut the video. So they can't have the video. Because me, I don't listen to money. And those things feel sweat to friend. So they cut the video. I can't have any bag. I wrap on, keep on. Every day they go there, they cook, they go. If I come back in the night like this one, I come back, I can't do video. I don't say I go do shop. I'm hospital, I go to stay. You feel me so? This one, I do one feeling after that I've done thing. Like ask guys, say, how much you did that law you give me? Come tell me the specific amount now. And the same specific amount now account for us. Now so complete, I count them. Say I count them, I say yes, I count them, no chance. To God be the glory, they destroy the guy, the guy go house. I did my woman house here. After I get all the chance, I come travel, I come in my woman. When I come here, before I console, I come before I console. And if they come and say, where I did not sit on the house, I did my wife's side. See, I said, see, if you need the money, so okay, no worry. If I come back, or I feel control where you feel, let's go give you key, you go open my room, you carry them. He said, no worry. Anytime you come back, it's okay. I come back, I really will give the money, JJ. Without 2 years, no year. Nobody knows say that kind of money, that kind of amount of money, they will for that house. As I tell you so, my heart strength, they my neck. Heart strength, they my neck when I pay. That kind of heavy money, they inside that room. I did look for 450 euro when I pay for my heart strength. They feel so. This one I just last 2 months here. Now they tell you so last 2 months here. When I reach the guy, I said, the guy, I think I sit down, like this, I sit down, I said, can't I complete him? Thank God. You see, you be really friend. You be really friend. 3 days later, I come to the guy say, bros, I beg, I want to give you naira for Nigeria. I want to give you naira for Nigeria, give me euro for here. Say, it's okay. I can't transfer naira for him. Can't give me euro, I pay my house rent. So what's the money? I said, why you not pay house? Money take with you for house, no if you go pay your house for inside. And I say, no, my brother, this one, that one, you know you play with that. You dey feel me so? Because you give me a people who use me, I use for inside. You say, no, I'm not for do that now. I say, no, bro, I'm not do that night. You dey feel me? You say you be friends. Now only you they spend. You don't feel talk one thing. Where Sharon don't do for you. This particular guy, so if I carry for now, say, guy, half a month, I need 5,000 euro. Now 1 hand, you go give me. 1 hand, you go give me. Nobody knows, say, I broke.